you talking about J Mango? I think he's a really good bomber for coming fresh to New Zealand.
Kia ora, this is George reporting for Kia Kids News, and I'm here today in the Splash Zone. We are at the Z Manu World Champs, where kids aren't just jumping in the water, they're trying to explode it. What do you think of the Manu show today?
Oh, I think it's absolutely legendary. I'm so happy to be here. I feel lucky. I feel lucky to be able to jump in this because I would have never guessed this is going to happen. If you asked me 2 months ago, are you jumping in the Manu Z World Championships, would have been like, nah. So I think it's amazing. I'm so excited.
This is all about the pop, the boom, and some serious prize money. First up, the girls' final.
It's all about the splash, to be honest. It's all about the tuck in the water. And yeah.
Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1.
The crowd went crazy for that one.
3, 2, 1.
That was about 6 meters. How did you go in your competition?
I came third and Kororia came second.
What was your technique?
My technique was to tuck in and impress the judges, and I'm pretty sure I did very well at that.
Mine was trying to tuck and do a good style, but didn't really work.
Tell us what the technique was as the winner.
Tuck and make sure the pop was loud and a trick. I got the Manu wave, get the cloud hyped up and get more scores from the judges.
Congrats on the win, Brooklyn. Now let's see how the boys go.
My Manu techniques are tucking hard and the timing of your pop.
This right here is for the title. This right here is for their share of $40,000.
Mine is tucking hard and just staying underwater. Stay into your tuck.
3, 2, 1. Natana Hira.
That was a massive splash.
Hata Tangito. Whoa!
It's a pretty tight competition here. That was awesome. Hey Hunter, how did you do?
I won the whole comp, and the technique that I did was a figgy 4 in the end.
That's awesome, man. So what did you win?
$2,000.
What are you going to do with the $2,000?
Give half to him. He was my coach when I first ever started, when I wanted to try to do my first bombs.
As the coach, do you win this claim for yourself?
Nah, it's all him, but I gave him a few techniques and he followed them, and yeah, listen and you'll learn. You'll learn everything.
And now it's my turn. I think I need a little bit more practice at the local wall. This has been George reporting for Kia Kids News.
Thanks to New Zealand On Air.